Peace Pole project is designed to convey to the broader community issues of inclusion, respect, and the value of all people.
We ask for feedback from the community about what our Peace Pole should look like, and you're going to see that in our Peace Pole. There's going to be rainbows and butterflies and all different symbols and language that are meaningful to the community, and it's going to be painted by community members. So you're going to see the visions and artistry of many different children and adults.
My son's favorite sport is baseball, and he's 7 and he's neurodiverse, so I'm doing it in honor of him, trying to make it look like that, hopefully.
Really gratifying to see the outpouring of support for this project and all of the people that have given of their time and their talent to really make this project a reality and to make the point that we need to be inclusive and respectful of all people.
I hope it'll show kids who are neurodiverse and feel like they don't have any support. The symbols of the pole will help them gain more confidence being who they are and not being like everybody else.
I personally love books, but knowledge is power, and so I feel like a lot of knowledge comes from books and education. And so I feel like this is very important to include in a Peace Pole like this that celebrates diversity and inclusion.
It will just inspire people and make their day better as they come and visit the mind.
And the message of this Peace Pole represents a continuing evolution of what language we are using and how communities are representing themselves.
So the Peace Pole project really is about valuing and respecting people because of their differences, not despite their differences.
Art is the best because it is a form of expression that is separate from the bounds of language by itself. It connects all different people who have different life experiences, different communities, and it allows us to envision not just how we want things to be, but also how things are and how things might change in the future. There's a lot of power in the imagery that comes from art, and especially bringing people together to make art together and then have that on display for everyone that comes in the building.